All right, folks, Head Savage back at you again, aka Mr. Hands. In today's episode, what I'm going to show you is how to install a recoil spring for your yard machine mower, or this could be the string itself, but I'm indicating that it's the spring. But stay tuned, I got a treat for you. All right, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 bolts to remove, and those are 5/16. The old string, which is broken now. Oh wow. You have to take that old string up out of there. Alright, once you have your new string, let's go ahead and get it ready to be inserted into the puller. Now you're going to have one end that you want to do nothing with. That's the end you're going to insert into the puller. And the other end you're going to insert into the handle. Make sure you tie a couple of knots in here so that it doesn't pull off. This couple will be fine. This should be good. All right, now let's insert her into the starter pulley. Before we actually insert the handle, there's one thing you want to do. You want to see how many times you need to rewind this thing. It's spring loaded, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wind it back like that as many times as you need. But how you found out how many times you need is by placing the string on top of the coil. You're going to wrap it around. Two, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to want to wrap that or screw this around 5 times. I mean, we want rewind this 5 times. So I'm getting ready to wind my starter. I'm gonna do it one time just to put some tension on it before I actually start counting. Okay? Now here we go. That's 1. Oh. Okay, let's get that rewinded. Well, folks, it looks like the actual spring is broken here. That's why they broke the string trying to start the lawnmower. The actual spring is in there broken. It won't coil up. It's broken. So the actual spring is broken. Well, that concludes this video. Stay tuned for when I show you how to replace this here. And sorry folks, couldn't have been a better video for you, but that's how mechanics go. It happens sometimes. You don't know what's really wrong until you get inside. As you can remember, I said the spring is pretty broken. It has to be replaced. I got the replacement part in the mail today. And what I'm going to show you is how to actually install it into the top of the mower, because this is universal for most mowers. So I'm going to pop this one out and put the new one in. And a key thing that you might want to remember is which way the pull string is coming out. And if you look at your mower and this one here, the pull string is actually coming out by the oil gauge. So just keep that in mind when you're putting the new one in. And what you're going to have to do is pull these back and pop this old one out. Pull back on that. A little tough little guy. Okay, we got the old one out of there. Let's put the new one in. And remember, like I said, which way is coming out. So I want this one to go in just like so. So let's get her in place. Let's get her pressed in. All right. No smoother than that. And now let me turn you to the mower as we put the lid, the top back on her. Alright, guys, like that there. All right, and now for the moment of truth. Let's prime her up a little bit. All right. Works like a charm. And thanks for watching. Please, if you can, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.